Turn left.
Alright guys, I just got an order from Doordash for Home Depot. It is almost $20 and it's basically 20 miles from here. So we're going with a good start. I already made one delivery. And yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we're almost heading there. We're almost there actually. After this light, should make a left turn. We should be there. See what we got at Home Depot. Last time I came here, it was I think it was a hose. I didn't even know Home Depot Doordash is like that. But yeah, last time I came, it was just some hoses. Go through here. This light always gets me. I don't know why, but it's always red, guys. Like every time I come through here, it turns red for me. Right now it's really humid out there. That's what Florida is. State full of humid. There we go. I wonder if it's is it even open? Alright, I'm gonna go check it out, guys. I'll be right back. So, this is what I got from Home Depot. Oh shit. So now, let's go driving. I think it's like... Alright, let's get to it. Nice and bright and early. Sun's coming out. Another day, another dollar. Look at the view. It's just... Man, I thought this truck was about to hit me. Back to the view. It's just a view. Gas out here is $4.79 right now. I think it's so crazy that people are saying we're gonna hit $6. You know? And I think it's crazy that some people are actually paying $6. But I mean, this is the generation we're in, so we can't really do nothing about it. Unless we go back in time. In the morning, my first delivery was a McDonald's. I think it was like $5 something, almost $6. I don't even know. I think it was $6. Almost $6, I mean. That's crazy. Hope they're okay. Oh snap. Yeah, I can't tell that. Yeah, that's a semi truck, right? I thought it was a hot shot. I wonder if they pay by the car or for just the whole load. So I'm here, but I thought it was a house, and I don't think this is a house. Let me get this situated. I think it's the Signature Kitchens and Cabinets, right? Bro, I don't know, bro. So they ain't even gonna answer. Is it open? Schedule an appointment, bro. You ordered me to come here. Oh, I had a Doordash.
What's that?
I had a Doordash for Tori.
So that's gonna be. I mean, I'm 3801, but this is like on suite 169. So.
Yeah, it didn't give me a suite. I was just thinking it was here because this is furniture. And it's a cabinet.
Yeah.
So now you don't know that. All right, thank you though.
Yeah, no
Appreciate
problem.
it. What the heck, bro? Unless it's in here. Hello? Hello? This is a Doordash. You had an order for Doordash?
What was that?
You had an order for Doordash?
I didn't order nothing, boss. Sorry.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Have a good one.
All right. Sorry about that. All right. I'm gonna go over there. See, maybe it's over there. Before I even talk to Doordash, man. If you're gonna order something, at least give me the number of the suite. You know. Don't just be like, yo, it's in this plaza. They working out here, huh? Can't even text them. Maybe in the papers it tells me where it's at. I'm gonna go check the papers real quick. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, this is Doordash. Did you order a cabinet with us?
I'm sorry?
Did you order Doordash?
No, I did not.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Oh, okay. So I call this number. No. I call the other number. No. There's no way to text them. At this point now, I'll just talk to Doordash. Doordash did me dirty. Pretty much did me one of the dirtiest ones out of all of them I ever had experienced. So I went to go drive like 30 minutes away for this order, and happens that one, he didn't even give me the right address. Well, he gave me the right plaza. He didn't give me no number of the plaza, you know, a door number. Two, the phone number he put on Doordash wasn't even him. Three, the other number on the paper that I got from Home Depot wasn't even him either. Four, there was no sometimes you can text him through the Doordash app, and I did not have that option either, so I'm guessing he didn't have it set up or something. And five, Doordash doesn't want to reimburse, doesn't want to give me double. I was asking for double, you know, because like it's basically, you know, going back and then coming back, you know. So they gave me, I mean, they gave me the whole amount, additional another half of what it was worth, but it's not really worth it for me because I could have made more. I think I could have made more within the 2 hours, you know. So I said, you know what, whatever. So now I'm gonna go ahead and return this. Get my pay. And yeah, see what happens. Alright guys, so I completed the delivery. I got kicked out. It ain't I guess busy or whatever, but I'll probably come out later. But yeah, I'm gonna just go take a break because this was not a good morning now. Just go home and chill for a bit because this was stressful enough for me. But there you go. But yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like. It was probably a boring video anyways, but just kind of upset about the situation I went through this morning. But y'all have fun, stay tuned for more.